something to say? This is Gigi, the neighbor's cat who lives from time to time inside Mukti. Give me a kiss? Nope. No kiss for me. Okay, no problem. Inside Mukti is happening a very special thing today. It's the installation of the new engine. It arrived 1 month late, mainly due to Brexit, but now it's here, so let's check it. Il est là-dedans. Voilà, il est là.
Donc voilà, bon, il est sur son bâti, après on va peut-être baisser ça là, mais...
beauté. Ah non, mais il est super beau quoi en plus. That's it, the motor is here, it's brand new, it's a beautiful red, I really love the color. Now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna have to install it inside our boat.
Le challenge c'est de le sortir du camion déjà, d'une part, et qu'on le fasse passer la descente. Et après on le descend dedans et puis on voit.
So the thing about the engine is that we measured very precisely the engine compartment of Mukti to be sure that the engine would fit. It's precise down to the centimeter, and let's cross our fingers that we didn't make any mistake when measuring the compartment. So we'll see about that now. You think it will work? Il n'a aucune opinion ce chat.
Combien en dessous, Victor?
On a 20 cm encore avant de buter contre la partie inférieure.
Tu vois, ça rentre. Il bouge même. Et ben, c'est pas mal.
Step 1 is finally over, so we can now start working on finalizing the position of the engine inside the compartment. To do this, we'll need to modify the boat structure to align the engine to the propeller shaft. We'll use these steel frames that were specifically created for my boat. Step 2 is to weld these frames inside the engine compartment, and for that we need Pascal.
Il y aura un peu d'émanation. Alors je vais vers ma cagoule, Jérôme, s'il te plaît.
C'est bon, t'as l'extincteur à côté?
Ouais, il est là.
Il est là. Et pourquoi on prend l'extincteur?
Pour la sécurité.
En fait, quand on fait la soudure, faut être, sans rigoler, faut être un peu contorsionniste. Selon les endroits où on va un peu dans des endroits très exigus, surtout dans les bateaux où c'est toujours monté au chausse-pied. Je dirais même presque là, il y a de la place.
Bah merci Pascal.
Bah de rien, toi ça fait un plaisir. C'est comme ça dans la salle de sport, soit.
Step 2 is now over, so we are getting closer and closer to the end of the process. Jérôme now needs to connect every single hose, cable or accessories from the engine to the boat. Here's a comprehensive list of all these elements. The water intake, electrical power, the control panel, cooling liquid, the exhaust pipe, the clutch cable, the inverter cable, air intake, the gas oil intake, the propeller shaft, and obviously the propeller itself.
Tout le monde va gentiment prendre sa place comme ça, et ce sera Royal Mix.
The last connections were made on the engine, so it's supposedly ready to start. But to do this, we still need a few ingredients, among which diesel, of course, and also cooling liquid. Let's go! A cooling liquid, a check. Gas oil, check. Bam! Shopping is over, and now we are heading back to the boat to fill those tanks with the good stuff that we just bought. I don't know, boat. I don't know. Everything should be ready to start. C'est bon, Jérôme, pour toi?
Tu peux y aller.
Ok,
Oh,
c'est parti. Let's test this engine.
Ah, c'est bon ça. Ah, ça tourne. Ah, ça tourne vite.
Check.
Ça, c'est bon ça.
The engine is working. Finally, after 6 months of hard work. What does it mean exactly? It means actually that we are ready to launch the boat. I hope that you liked this episode. If you did, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section down below and also to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you for the launch of Mukti. That's gonna be for the next episode. Take care. Bye bye.